Alright folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2006 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor with 109,000 miles and only 636 idle hours. This vehicle was an LA County Probation Department unit, never on patrol or patrolling the streets. Original silver metallic from factory. The paint looks great, super sharp and shiny. It does have very few minor little scratches here and there, but nothing big or major to worry about. Vehicle has new tint windows at my expense, rear only, medium shade, so you can see right through. You can see that right there. Vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed inside and out, and it doesn't need any repairs whatsoever, and it is road ready to go anywhere across the country. Folks, as you can see, I do have one antenna on the trunk lid, actual antenna that is. It's just there for looks, not op. But if you are interested in buying the car and you don't like that look, I can always remove it and put a plastic rubber plug inside that hole to keep air or water from leaking into the cabin of the trunk. Correction, inside the trunk. Once again, 2006, 109,000 miles, 636 idle hours. Probation Department unit here, in great running condition. Doesn't need anything whatsoever. Original silver metallic from factory. I do have clear lights and lenses in the front. Headlights are okay, but I decided to leave those alone. You will hear why in a minute as soon as we go through the services. Let's go inside real quick here. Alright folks, as you can see, the car has been completely detailed, extremely clean inside. Matching interior, all seatbelts and buckles are in place. Carpet floors. The car only came with 3 floor mats. Door locks and switches are in place, which means door locks are fully functional from inside and out of the vehicle. Electric seating, driver's side floor mat. You can see it's in not so good of a shape, so I decided to leave that alone. Driver's side seat is in comfortable shape, so is the passenger side. Very comfortable still. Perfect dash, no holes on it whatsoever. Basic AM/FM stereo. Working cruise control. Everything in the car works. Alright, let's fire her up. Let me clean this up a little bit here. Ah, there it is. It looks like I got it.
That one time in Orange County?
Alright, there it is. 109K, going on 110 in about 400 miles or so. Responsible for 86 miles driven, 636 idle hours.
And that's what I might call you. So there you go. Hey, hope you're having an awesome day today and getting home safe.
Stereo works. Honk works. Ticket light works. Map lights do work. We're gonna go in the trunk real quick. Folks, once again, this car is in immaculate condition and shape, in and out. Alright. See if I can clean this up here. There it is. Alright. Clean trunk, full spare tire and wheel, floor jack to the right. Hold down pan inside the tire well, inside the wheel right there. So it's complete. The vehicle is complete. extremely clean. My detail shop did an outstanding job on this particular unit here. All right, here we go, folks. Check this out. Completely clean. Wow. Okay, starting right to left. Please listen up. There's going to be a lot of good information being thrown at you right now. Starting right to left, I do have a new air filter. Throttle body was serviced. I do have 8 new Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs. I do have fresh engine oil and filter. I went with 520 synthetic blend. That's recommended by factory. Folks, a big plus here. This car came with a bad transmission right out of the auction. Once again, the auction failed to mention that this car had a no third gear. Again, there was no third gear, so I had the transmission rebuilt complete at my expense, and on top of that I went ahead and added an external independent transmission cooler to work along with that transmission. It also increased the performance of it. Better, I guess, better protection for the transmission. Battery appears to be new from that department. Date code February 2015. Fan shroud, electric fan shroud and module, that appears to be new. That had to be done by the department. I didn't touch it. No rust on this bad boy whatsoever. No rust. Brakes, they were about 90% all around from that department, so those didn't need to be replaced. I did throw in a new set of takeoff tires on this vehicle, along with a good new set of full wheel covers. The ones that the car came with, well, actually it only came with 3, and they were kind of beat up and missing the 4 logos. So guess what? I had a great set here for full wheel covers, original equipment, and I threw those on the vehicle. So I wanted to give it that better look here. Let me see, am I missing anything else? I don't think so. Cold AC, super cold AC, heater does work, defrosters do work. I don't think I'm missing anything here. Alright folks, well, here she is. If you should have any comments, questions, you're interested in buying this car, please feel free to get a hold of me. You can call me, you can text me, you can email me, that's fine. Once again, for those of you out there tracking me on YouTube, if you're gonna be giving me negative comments, or you're just gonna be running your mouth, writing nasty things on my wall, on my posts, you will be deleted and you will be blocked from future sales or posts that I add on YouTube. Just wanted to make that clear to you guys. I'm not here to waste your time, so please don't waste mine. And I'm just telling you that with a lot of respect. Please don't take it the wrong way, but I just wanted to throw that out there for you guys. I've been getting a lot of weird, nasty emails from time to time. All right, here we go, guys. Again, 2006 109K, 136 idle hours, LA County Probation Department unit, in great condition, great shape, doesn't need any repairs, and it's ready to go, turnkey ready. All right, this is it. This is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys have yourself a great evening and a great weekend. God bless. Thank you and take care.